In which of the following interactions both partners are adversely affected? The correct answer is option B, competition. Because in competition, both species are adversely affected as they compete for the same resource. For example, food, space, etc. So in competition, both organisms struggle for the limited resources, and this results in a negative impact on both. So the answer is option B, competition. Whereas coming to option A, mutualism, here both partners are benefited from the interaction. So option A is incorrect. Option C, predation. In predation, one partner is benefited, that is predated, and the other is harmed, that is a prey. Option D, parasitism. Here one partner is benefited and the other is harmed. So option D is also incorrect. The answer is option B. Male gametophyte in angiosperms produces what? The male gametophyte in angiosperm, that is the pollen grain, typically consists of two sperm cells and a vegetative cell. During fertilization, one sperm cell fertilizes the egg cell, while the other sperm fuses with two polar nuclei to form the endosperm. And this process is known as double fertilization. So that means the correct answer is option B, two sperms and a vegetative cell. Whereas option A, C and D are incorrect answers.